Do you want to know the one thing that separates wealthy people from everyone else? It's not luck, it's not talent, it's not even intelligence. It's a 30-day mental transformation that anyone, including you, can start today. If you stay with me for the next few minutes, I'll show you how billionaires actually think, and how you can train your mind to think like them in just 30 days. This challenge changed my life, and it can do the same for you. Part 1. The story of Steve Ballmer. Before we start the challenge, let me tell you a story. A story about a man who went from a regular student with no direction to becoming one of the richest people in the world. Steve Ballmer wasn't born a genius. He wasn't born into wealth. He was just a college kid who worked harder than everyone else and thought differently. When he joined Microsoft in 1980, he wasn't a coder. He wasn't technical. He didn't even understand half of what Bill Gates was talking about. But Ballmer had something else. A mindset of unstoppable belief. He told himself every morning, I may not be the smartest, but nobody will ever outwork me. Instead of thinking, I can't, he trained his mind to think, how can I? And that mindset turned him into CEO of Microsoft, a multi-billionaire, one of the most energetic leaders in history. Owner of the LA Clippers. What changed his life wasn't opportunity. It was the way he thought, and this same mindset is exactly what we're about to build in you, step by step, for the next 30 days. Part 2, the 30-Day Wealth Mindset Challenge. Now let's break down the system wealthy people use, in a way that anyone can apply. We're going to treat this like a university-level class, but simplified so you can actually follow it every day. Week 1 Awareness, Days 1 to 7. Goal: break your old beliefs about money. Daily tasks: 1. Write down every negative belief you have about money. 2. Replace each one with a powerful, wealthy version. Money is hard to earn. Money is a skill. I'm unlucky. I create my own luck. 3. Spend 10 minutes imagining the person you want to become. 4. Write your top 3 wealth goals. Why it matters: billionaires don't just make money, they expect to make money. Week 2. Discipline, Days 8 to 14. Goal: build behavioral habits of a wealthy mindset. Daily tasks: 1. Wake up at the same time every day. 2. 1 hour of deep focus on a money-making skill. 3. Track your income daily. Even $1 matters. 4. Reduce consumption and increase production. Why? Wealthy people focus on creating, not consuming. Week 3. Money skills, Days 15 to 21. Goal: understand how money actually works. Daily tasks: 1. Study investing or business for 20 minutes a day. 2. I learned 1 money-making skill: editing, coding, coaching. 3. Create a small income stream, even if it's just $5. 4. Identify and eliminate wasteful spending. Why? Wealth is the result of knowledge and action, not luck. Week 4. Expansion, Days 20 to 230. Goal: build your new wealthy identity. Daily tasks: 1. Act like a wealthy person before you become one. 2. Ask yourself, does this decision move me toward my goal? 3. Network with 1 person better than you. 4. Launch 1 real money project. Final result of Week 4. You transform from a normal person into someone with a wealth identity. Part 3. Listen, if you actually complete these 30 days, your mind will not be the same. You will start thinking bigger, acting braver, and creating opportunities instead of waiting for them. The difference between you and wealthy people is not money, it's mindset. And starting today, that mindset is already forming inside you. Comment start if you're joining this challenge, like this video if it helped you. Subscribe because the next videos will continue this transformation and you don't want to miss them. This is Golden Growth and your new life starts now.